there, my name is Marion Brand from Brand Fitness, and today I have a workout with one piece of equipment. It's the kettlebell. So if you don't have a kettlebell at home, that's okay. You can always use dumbbells, so that's fine too. I'll give modifications. So grab your equipment, grab your water, get ready, and we're gonna get started. So this workout, I will be instructing verbal instructions, and I won't be playing any music. So play your own playlist if you want in the background, if you need music to motivate you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to check out the links below. I've got walking workout program. I have a group. I'd love you to join. It's free. And if you really like my content, you can always support me by buying me a coffee. That's down there too. So anyway, get ready because we're going to get started right now. And we're going to get going here. So march it out. And lifting one knee. So just the up and lift. Core is engaged. Just get some movement going on. 4 more. 3, 2, and 1. Let's do a heel dig. So just heel and heel. Heel. So if you've got your music on, you can dance to your own music. And we're going to tap to the back. So tap back, 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 back. Let's pull up, down and up and down, whichever one. 4 more. 3 and 2 and last one. And let's do arms. So swim those arms. And then the other way. And let's do a hinge at the hips. We're going to do it going to a deadlift. So hinging down, just stretching everything out, and then coming back up. Making sure you're hinging at the hip, not bending at the waist. If it hurts your back, you're either not doing it properly. So really open, and then coming down, and lifting open. Coming down, lifting open, and then 2 more. This actually feels good. My hamstrings are tight. This will stretch them out a little bit. And lifting open. So from here, I'm going into a curtsy or just a lunge back, and then a side leg lift. So curtsy and side, curtsy, side leg lift. So hold your chest out, shoulders are back, and your core, remember, pull that belly button in, down, and then lift, and down, and lift. I'm going to do 2 more on this side. Everybody's looking fine. And last one, let's go to the other side. So a curtsy and a side leg lift. And curtsy, side leg, still going, and lift, curtsy, feeling it, I am. 2 more, and then 1 more, and lift. Let's just do a little air skip. So you keep this low impact, or you can jump it out. It's looking good. Jog it out, we can do this. Let's do it, air skip the other, arms the other way. It's like an air march, or you can actually skip if you want. It's up to you. And grab some water. We're gonna go to the kettlebell. If you don't have a kettlebell, again, you can use a dumbbell. And the plies are gonna start here. Make sure the knees are out, so you've got that 90 degree. You don't want to be like this because that's going to hurt your knees. So get ready. Everyone's ready. In 3, 2, plie, 1, and let's go. Just down and lift. So this is like inner thigh, glutes and hamstrings, or glutes and inner thigh mostly. Just down. If you're used to doing these and you want to make it a little bit harder, see if you can touch that kettlebell on the ground, come back up. Now I can really feel that. Oh, it's working. And we're going for 40 seconds today, a little bit longer. So you're gonna feel it. Down and lift. Oh, it's working. Lots of legs today. So 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're good. We're gonna go into a row. So I'll do bent over, shoulders are back, and I'm gonna pick up and squeeze my shoulder blades and then back down. So come up, squeeze. My belly button's in, shoulders are back. Everybody's posture looks great. Are you pulling with your back? So make sure you can feel the retraction and squeeze. Pause a little bit. Come up and squeeze. You want to feel right in the back, not the bicep. The bicep's still working, but you want to use your back to pull. 10 more seconds. Okay, we haven't done 40 seconds in a while. I'm feeling it. 3, 2, 1. Switching, other side. So you're going to turn, hinge at the hip, belly button's in, shoulders are back. And go. So you're going to retract and then pull up. Pull up and back. Pull up and back. The thing when you're here, you don't want to pull up like this. See how my neck is tight? I can feel it in my neck. I want to pull up and back. So it's all in my back, upper back. Still going. Oh, I'm sweating even more now. It's like, it's working. 10 more seconds. We can do this. Looking good. Almost there. 3, 2, 1. Yes, one more round. Everyone's good, right? Okay, going back to the plie. Here we go. 2, 1. Grab that weight. Down and up. Stay up nice and tall. And my legs are going to the side. And back up. If you can, see if you can touch to the ground while staying up tall. You don't have to. It depends on your range of motion. It depends on your knees. If your knees are hurting, small range. Usually if your knees are sore, the plie or squatting with your legs out a little bit usually feels better. Are you with me? Okay, stop. You're good. We're going back into the row. So here, we're going to hinge, belly button, shoulder back, and go. That's not enough time. Lift and lower, breathing. So really feel the shoulder blade. You want to work those muscles. I can feel in the lats. Still going. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Looking good. 12 seconds left. This is definitely working. And in 3, 2, 1, switch, other side. 3, hinge, shoulders back, go. Lift and lower. Keep your neck straight. And if you're watching me on the screen, go sideways and look sideways. That's better than looking up at me like this, because that's hard on your neck. Squeeze. Who's feeling that in their shoulder blades? Is it working? Are you squeezing? Yes, you are. You're working hard. No one's talking to me right now. Almost there. We've got 7 seconds left. Breathe. Oh, and stop. You are good. You're awesome. So take a rest, grab some water. We're going to do a kettlebell swing. Now, kettlebell swing is like this. Hinge at the hip. I'll show you from the side. Hinge at the hip and then just propel. Push. It's the glutes and hamstrings. If you don't have that, you can go back to the plie squat. If you have a dumbbell, you can use a dumbbell too. So just like this. So it's not a squat though. It's a hip hinge. And then we're going to go into a single lunge like this, just for 40 seconds, and then the other side. So 2 rounds of that. Kettlebell swing is first in 3, 2, 1. So hip hinge is, and I'm not lifting up to, I'm not trying to lift this up really high. It's just that actually I can feel it in my back. So it's just, is hinge at the hip and then push your up tall. I see everybody looks good here right now. I see this a lot with like hinging here. You don't want to push your hip forward. You want to be up tall. So hinge and then up. It's like kind of like snapping your hips, your glutes and your hamstrings. 5 seconds and breathe. I can feel it. It's working. And stop. We'll go into a single deadlift. So I'm going to be like this. So now I have one weight and it's pulling me over. Core is engaged. Just down and up. If your knees don't like this, you can either do a really shallow or you can just go into a squat. It's fine. Everybody looks good. If you need to hang on, that's fine too. So just down. See how low you can go. Make sure the knee is lined up. So it's straight, over your toe, down and lift. Lunges aren't for everyone, but if they're good for you, they're awesome. 5 seconds. I'm feeling my glutes. Push through your heel. Can you feel in here? Yes. I'm ready to switch legs. Other side. Everybody's good? Perfect. Up tall. Let's lunge again. Down and then back up. From the side, it looks like this. Straight down, straight up. Also remember, keep your feet lined up. It's harder for balance. You're going to want to put your foot like this. I don't know if you can see me. And then that's hard on this knee at the back. You want to turn so that you have everything lined up properly. Oh, it's good. It's awesome. Breathing. 5 seconds. 3, 2, stop. We'll do one more round. Is everybody good? Kettlebell swing and then the lunge. You guys look awesome. Here we go. So hip hinge. Not a squat, a hip hinge. I'll show you from the side again. So I can feel my glutes and my hamstrings working this. And this is just propelling the weight up. You shouldn't be lifting your arms. Everybody looks fabulous. Yes, nice. Beautiful. 10 seconds left. Breathe. Are you breathing? I want to hear it. And breathe. 3 seconds. 2 and 1. We're good. We're going back to the lunge. So we're up tall. Shoulders are back. Core is engaged. Just holding one weight. And then this having one weight is good because it's making your core work to help stabilize you to stay up tall. Stay up as straight as you can. You can have arm out or arm in. It's going to be harder. Breathing. Are you pushing through your heel? Can you feel your glute firing up? That takes the pressure off your knee. So, and it's into the, using the glutes. I can feel my quads too. And I'm out of breath. And we've got 3, 2, 1. Nice. Other side. So we're up tall. Shoulders are back. And we're going to go into 1. Let's go. Coming straight down. Back up. Straight down. And down. Remember again, put the pressure on your heel. If you're having a hard time balancing, just hang on. I'd rather you have perfect form. If it's compromising your form, then that's okay. Like even a fingertip. Core or slow, just really focus. Look at us, spot on the floor. We're ahead. We have 8 seconds left. My legs are feeling this. 3, 2, 1. I have done enough. So awesome job. Well, how are you feeling? I had a great workout. I hope you did too. Let me know in the comments below if you did have a good workout and how you're feeling. One piece of equipment. So we got one kettlebell, or if you had a dumbbell, that's great too. So many things you can do with it, and it's a great workout. So thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you in the next video.